Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a product that's set to redefine your home and home office printing. If you've been searching for the best compact monochrome laser printer for 2025, one that delivers on speed, quality, and modern connectivity, then stick around. We're doing a full, in-depth review of the brand new Brother HL-L2405W wireless compact monochrome laser printer. This isn't just another printer. It's a productivity powerhouse designed to make your life easier. Let's find out why this could be your next essential tech upgrade. First things first, let's talk about what this machine was engineered for. Consistent, premium print quality. The Brother HL-L2405W is specifically designed as an ideal solution for homes and home offices, where reliability and crisp output are non-negotiable. Forget faded, blurry documents. This monochrome laser printer delivers sharp, crisp black and white prints every single time, making your reports, invoices, and school assignments look professional. And it does it fast. We're talking speeds up to 30 pages per minute for one-sided documents. Imagine getting through that stack of printing in a fraction of the time. Plus, it does all this at an incredibly affordable price, both for the initial purchase and, as we'll see, with its toner efficiency. This isn't just about printing. It's about efficient, high-quality document production without compromise. But what good is speed and quality if your printer isn't connected to your modern workflow? This is where the Brother HL-L2405W truly shines as a compact, connected printer. It boasts flexible connection options, making it incredibly versatile for any setup. With built-in dual-band wireless 4 GHz/5 GHz, you can securely connect from multiple devices in your home or home office. No more fighting over the printer cable. Or for a single computer, a direct USB interface. But the real game changer here is the Brother Mobile Connect app. This isn't just for basic printing. You can manage your printer remotely, print from your mobile device anytime, from almost anywhere, and even order Brother genuine supplies directly. Track your toner usage, complete more work on the go. It's total control in your pocket. And yes, it works with Alexa. Imagine just telling your printer to print your grocery list. This level of smart integration makes the HL-L2405W a truly top-tier wireless monochrome laser printer. Now, let's talk about a feature often overlooked until you desperately need it: paper handling. The Brother HL-L2405W understands the demands of everyday printing. It comes equipped with a generous 250-sheet paper tray. That means fewer interruptions to refill paper, allowing you to focus on your work rather than constantly babysitting your printer. For those times you need something a little different, like an important envelope or a special cardstock, there's a dedicated manual feed slot. This versatility ensures seamless, reliable printing on a variety of media types, from standard letter paper to envelopes and specialty papers. No more jamming, no more frustration, just smooth, consistent output for all your printing needs. So after putting the Brother HL-L2405W through its paces, it's clear this is more than just a printer. It's a smart, efficient, and reliable partner for anyone needing high-volume, high-quality black and white printing at home or in a home office. From its blazing fast speeds and crisp output to its robust wireless connectivity, intuitive mobile app, Alexa integration, and versatile paper handling, Brother has truly delivered a standout product. And with the included refresh subscription trial and Brother's excellent 1-year limited warranty and lifetime support, you're not just buying a printer, you're investing in peace of mind. If you're looking for a top compact laser printer that won't disappoint, the HL-L2405W should be at the very top of your list. Ready to upgrade your printing experience? You can find the best deals and more detailed specifications for the Brother HL-L2405W wireless compact monochrome laser printer by clicking the link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.